The Xiaomi 17T Pro is here, and if you're wondering, I'll tell you straight away that this is a really nice device. But there's one thing that makes it very hard for me to recommend to anyone. And because Xiaomi decided to increase the price, there's one question that matters more than anything else. Is the €100 price increase actually justified? Because let's be honest, tech brands raising prices has become a little too common. Almost every year we hear the same story: higher costs, better components, premium experience. But in reality, many phones barely improve while charging us more money. So with the Xiaomi 17T Pro now starting at €899, should you actually spend that kind of money on it? My short answer is yes, but only if you care about the right upgrades. Let's start with the biggest reason this phone is easier to recommend than I expected: battery life. Yeah, I know you already saw that coming. Xiaomi went from a 5,500 mAh battery to an insane 7,000 mAh cell. That is not a small improvement, that's massive. In real-world usage, this is the kind of upgrade you feel every single day. Better standby time, longer gaming sessions for all of us who spend almost the entire day on Call of Duty, more screen on time, less battery anxiety. Pair that with 100-watt fast charging, and this instantly becomes one of the strongest battery-focused flagships in this price range. And for many people, that alone gets dangerously close to justifying the extra €100. And since every company is hiking prices, Xiaomi decided to do something different, and that made me realize how thoughtful they really are. They added extra value through bundled perks: 3 months of YouTube Premium, 3 months of Google AI Pro, 4 months of Spotify Premium, and even a free screen replacement within the first 6 months. These extras help soften the blow of the price increase. Performance is the second major reason I'd say yes to buy this phone. The new MediaTek Dimensity 9500 is a serious flagship chip. This device is fast, properly fast. Gaming performance is excellent, sustained performance is better thanks to improved cooling, and Xiaomi has clearly tuned thermals better this year. If you game heavily or keep phones for 3 to 4 years, this matters a lot. This isn't one of those fake benchmark-only upgrades. You will actually feel the speed. Then there's the design. Xiaomi finally ditched the plastic back for glass, and that changes the feel of the phone more than specs ever can. It feels more expensive, more premium, more flagship. Thinner bezels also help make the front look cleaner and more modern. Now here's where I become more critical. The display did not impress me, to be honest. I mean, it's not a bad display, but just that it barely changed. Yes, brightness improved, bezels are thinner, but this is still basically the same panel as last year, same resolution, same refresh rate, still no LTPO. And worse, that so-called 144Hz display still behaves like a 120Hz panel most of the time. At nearly €900, that is disappointing. Then we get to the cameras, and this is where Xiaomi loses points. Again, I wouldn't say the cameras are terrible. Come on, that would be ridiculous. The cameras are fine. They are not bad. They are not amazing. They're just fine. Main camera performance improved thanks to better image processing, and daylight shots still look great. But the hardware barely changed, and it shows. The ultra-wide remains weak, especially at night. Video performance is inconsistent depending on which lens you use. So if you're watching this video and cameras are your top priority, I would honestly tell you this: do not buy this phone for €900. I'm saying this cause there are better camera phones at this price. If you're upgrading from a phone that's 2 or 3 generations old, or you care heavily about battery life, charging speed, gaming performance, and raw power, then yes, the Xiaomi 17T Pro actually earns its higher price. But if you already own the 15T Pro, or if cameras matter most to you, this upgrade is hard to justify. Your 15T Pro is still good to go for another year or two.